Hey Gagne Gang, this is Eric and Candace from Gagne Farms. Today we thought we'd bring you a year in review video.
We had so much fun going back through our videos and looking at how much we've grown this year, and we're pretty proud and happy with the growth we've made and the things we've learned, and we just wanted to share it with all of our subscribers and fans because without you we wouldn't have any success at all.
Alright guys, here it is. Check it out. Hey guys, this is Eric from Gagne Family Farms. I'm gonna cook some venison up tonight. Hey guys, here's our finished venison dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. It's pretty simple. If you guys like this, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Dun dun! Impending Doomstorm 2020. Hi guys, this is Eric and Candace with Gagne Farms. Today we're going to build a reverse osmosis system for our maple syrup. Check it out.
It's 36 degrees out here at Gagne Farm. Whoa.
Surfing video. Are you on with that?
Yeah, I am.
Okay guys, we're going to drill our holes in the 6-gallon bucket lids for our tubing that we use for tapping our maple trees.
Look at that. Woo! Look at that spry young fella jumping down from there.
We are tapping trees today.
We're going to tap that sap. So stick around, check this out. Bit here, face the south, upward angle. And then I just usually kick a little snow up around it.
So it's been a little bit of a slow go today, but we have the arch set up, we've got our tent set up, so we're ready. No, we're not. We're not ready. We're not ready.
One down, 60 more to go. Hi! This is Eric from Gagne Farms. We're cooking sap today.
I built fire. Hear me roar. So I think I proved to myself today that I really could do this process on my own if I really had to. Shut up. All right, start over because you're not putting that on there. Oh my God, stop belly. I am boiling down our last batch of syrup. It's very bittersweet. Not the taste, just the fact that it's our last batch.
Yep, we got lots of things coming up here in the near future for you guys. We got new additions to the homestead. We got gardening season that's coming into full bloom. And what else we got? We got all sorts of stuff. We got
surprises.
We got so many surprises. We don't want to tell you right now what we're doing. You just gotta follow along, check it out. So
We are just waiting for our phone call from the post office, aren't we?
Yes, I'm so excited to get 70 chickens.
What you got, Sophie?
Chickens. I don't know how many, but we got chickens. The black ones.
We really appreciate all of our subscribers and our friends out there. Thank you for visiting us on Gagne Farms. We're trying to reach out and make more connections and meet more new people. And so check us out on our Instagram page, Gagne Farms on Instagram, and our Facebook page.
hi! This is Eric from Gagne Farms. Today we're building ourselves a brooder coop.
Welcome back to Gagne Farms. This is Candace and Eric, and today we're going to be
Starting seeds.
kapow, kapow.
Smile. Take a breath before you talk. Is that the goofiest pair of sunglasses that Candace could find in the entire house?
That's what I'm here for.
Which kid did you rob them off of?
Sophie.
Looks like a Sophie pair.
Welcome back to Gagne Farms. This is Candace. I know it's been a really long time, but we missed you guys so much. So YouTube, how do you like my new haircut? Finally got my haircut after quarantine. Actually, I gave myself a haircut and basically gave myself a mullet. Make sure your rims are all clean and free of whatever.
And you want to use a good high quality toilet paper when you do that.
First canning of the season, pickles. You want to cut it and split one in half? What do you want to do?
Oh, brush hogging. Well, things are winding down here on Gagne Farms on this Saturday, and we got a little something on the grill. You want to check it out? Ooh. Potatoes and onions and garlic. Yep. And then we're gonna, Sophie, you want to show them, grab one of those packages. And we got a little bit of venison T-bone to go with it. So we're eating good here.
We're trying something new today. We are making our first batch of apple butter. I was so excited because Eric bought me a new book about canning, and apple butter is something I love, and I just happen to have a whole bunch of apples. So we're gonna make some apple butter today and can them. So follow along with us. And it looks like it's holding its form, but it still looks a little watery to me around the edge. I snuck a taste, and it would taste fabulous on a good pork loin. Or a piece of toast, for that matter. Oh, there was a pot.
I heard it.
Yeah.
Hey Gagne gang, we're back here in Gagne Kitchen. We're gonna do ourselves a little bit of blackberry jam today. This is the first time I've had it. That is really good. Hey Gagne gang, welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric and this is Candace, and today we're gonna be installing our ladies' first chicken door. And we don't need those, so let's just throw a hole in the coop over here and hook her up, eh? Thumbs up? Yeah. Give me a good thumbs up on this one. Real quick, easy, nice install of this chicken door. Thanks again, guys. Today we're gonna smoke our venison summer sausage that we just made up and stuffed, and we're gonna get the grill going right now.
Okay, do it again. Do something different. Do something cool. Well, that means do.
No, I'm not gonna put it. I'm the editor anyway. So.
What you doing? You put something on backwards or upside down, didn't you?
Chainsaws only work if the chain's on going the right direction. Well, there you have it. There's our year in review. Stick around. We got lots of projects coming up this year that you guys are going to really like. We got maple syrup season coming up real quick. Gardening season right after that. And we've got some big projects planned. So stay tuned.
Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. All of our subscribers help us out a lot. We appreciate that here. Hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you back next time.
Thanks, guys.